Hello my friends. In this video, we will install Simplified Chinese keyboard input on Windows 11. Go to Settings. Click on Time and Language. Click on Language and Region. Click Add a language. Search for Chinese. Select Chinese, Simplified. Click Next to continue. Uncheck any options you don't need. Click Install to continue. It will take a few minutes to complete the installation. Change the language to Chinese. Use Pinyin to select the Chinese characters. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.